Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken dum biryani. Biryani is a classic dish and a culinary treasure. This easy chicken biryani recipe reminisces the rich taste and an eye-catching look. It's easy to make and incredible in taste. So let's get started. I'll be showing you step by step for better understanding. First stage is marination of chicken. For that I have taken chicken around 750 grams. I have taken chicken legs. You can take off any cut. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of curd. And I have slit the chicken like this. This way all spices will go inside the chicken. Now I'll be adding all the spices to chicken: chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, salt, ginger garlic paste and curd. We will mix it properly and rub all the spices on chicken pieces and keep it for marination minimum 30 minutes, half an hour. Now moving to stage 2, cooking of rice. For that I have taken 500 grams of rice that I had soaked in water for around 1 to 2 hours. You can check the packaging of rice and soak accordingly. And oil I have taken 2 tablespoons. Salt 1.5 tablespoon, 2 to 3 small cinnamon sticks, 4 green cardamoms, 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now in a big thick bottom pan I have taken around 14 cups of water and I'll be adding the spices: oil, salt, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Bring it to boil and then add soaked rice. We have to keep it on high flame for around 8 to 10 minutes till rice is almost 80% done. Now after around 8 to 10 minutes on high flame, you can see rice is almost done. So I'll turn off the flame and strain it. Now I'll be showing you the ingredients that we need for garnishing and cooking chicken. I have taken a pinch of saffron soaked in warm milk, red food color, a tablespoon of ghee, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a cup of oil, few green chilies slit, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 anise seed, mixed bunch of coriander and mint leaves. Mint leaves will be using for garnishing also, and around 5 to 6 fried onions that we will be using for cooking chicken and garnishing also. Now in a pan I have heated up half a cup of oil and added all the whole spices: cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, anise seed. Saute them and then add marinated chicken. Mix and cover and keep it on medium flame. After a few minutes, now add coriander and half of the mint leaves, slit green chilies, half of the fried onions and garam masala. Mix and let it cook till all the water released is absorbed. We have to keep checking on chicken so that it doesn't get overcooked and meat doesn't fall off bones. So we'll keep it stirring in between. Now here you can see chicken is ready, it's cooked properly. So I'll turn off the flame and move towards the final stage of layering biryani and keeping it on dum. Now in a thick bottom pan, I'll grease the bottom with some ghee and then I'll place some chicken pieces. Then a layer of rice. Now placing another layer of chicken, and I'll be adding some gravy from chicken. Then I'll sprinkle some onions and mint leaves on this. Then again a layer of rice. And again chicken, same ways, and same ways I'll sprinkle some fried onions and mint leaves. On top layer of rice, I'll sprinkle again some onions and mint leaves. Then I'll be using saffron milk and put it at different places. This will give color, and red food color also. And I'll be adding ghee also here. This will give a nice flavor. These three things are optional, but they give a good feel. And then I'll be covering it with a kitchen towel and then place a lid. This way steam won't escape, and we will keep it on dum for around 30 minutes on low flame. Total low flame we have to keep. Now after around 30 minutes, I'll turn off the flame, and here you can see our mouth-watering biryani is ready. Serve it hot with raita or any other chutney of your choice. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.